eyes up. Isaac smokes every day.
So I'll do another video.
It's in Lekki there. It's everywhere it goes there.
So face this way. That way.
As first, again, welcome. I'm very happy to meet you. And, I hope you will improve work between our region and your state.
Thank you very much. We want to sincerely thank you for receiving us here today. We want to apologize that we have to ask for adjournment, another date, because of the commitments we've already had, and you obliged us. And we thank God that today we're meeting with you and your team. We had a discussion with the ambassador in Nigeria, where we put our hands together and see how we will have to exchange ideas with you and partner with Lombardy. We are aware that Lombardy is very good in agriculture and vocational education. Is to see how we can partner to have investors in agriculture in Abuja. Abuja is the capital of Nigeria.
The new capital.
Yes, the new capital, that used to be Lagos. For over years now, it's now Abuja. And also to look at how we can partner in terms of vocational education, that we have to train our youths and our women through ICT skill acquisition. Agriculture is Abuja is very good in terms of the fertile land. In most cases, you don't need fertilizer. Agro-business will thrive in Abuja. So we think that we can partner with you, see what we can symbiotically, achieve among the two cities. That is the major reason we're here, to see what collaboration in terms of investment in agribusiness and vocational education. Abuja is quite safe. It's one of the lovely cities if you want to, come in. And I'm sure the ambassador must have briefed you on the city of Abuja. It's the capital, it's a political city, and would love us to have something together in common that will be beneficial to the two areas. So I want to sincerely thank you for giving us this opportunity to have this interaction with you. Like I said, this is the Secretary in charge of agriculture. This is the Secretary in charge of education. And of course, there are my two sons who would like to know the President, and then who are interested in public affairs. So thank you for the honor given to us.
It's surely a pleasure for me to meet you, and I hope we can go on and we can improve our relationship, because there are always a relationship between Lombardy and your state, but we hope to improve. The two arguments we speak about, and education and industrial, are we are very, very happy to begin. Maybe we can work before everything just to understand where we can work better. What do you need to know about us, and eventually what we need to know you better, you know. And after we can hope to improve our relationship.
Well, like I said, every head would want to see how he can make improvement in his areas. Particularly, like I said, in terms of mechanized agriculture,
Yeah.
it's very key for us. If there's an opportunity for us to partner in terms of we have a large vast of land, there's no problems. The law is very clear. Ease of doing business is very much affirmed. Again, if we can have to set up a vocational institute where we can train our youth in terms of ICT, in terms of skill works. I know that this area is quite good in that, and particularly training of the youth is key. If we're able to make the youth to be busy, you'll be able to reduce crime. So these are two major areas we want us to partner together.
Also, you know that Lombardy is very strong in industrial, but in manufacturing, but is the first region also for agriculture. And we have a lot of new ideas, for example, the agriculture of precision, to use few water, because we have also in Lombardy we have some problem with water. Sometimes there is too much, but sometimes there is too few. So we must work just to have a possibility to go on working with few water, for example, but circular agriculture is very important. We have some place where we don't put away anything. You know, everything is used for creating, for example, biogas, biocarburant, and so on. We can work very much in this problem, in this possibility.
We would think that would be nice if that's why we came with those who are directly in charge. Take, for example, in agriculture, the person in charge and the person in charge in the vocational education, so that we'll be able to work as a team with your officers, so that we know where to start from, and how to start from, and then how to commence.
Potrebbe magari partire proprio dalle persone più direttamente interessate, quindi il Ministro dell'Agricoltura, il Ministro regionale dell'Educazione, per vedere praticamente a livello di funzionari di Regione Lombardia come si può avviare una collaborazione.
Exactly what I see. We must begin to know better, to understand where are the problems, what are the problems, and together working.
Yeah. I think that would be, if we, like I said, if we be able, the officers and them can sit together to,
Yeah.
work out in particular, or we'll be able to have a matter of understanding that look, we have agreed to partner, the officers can now work out the details. Which aspect of agriculture, which aspect of the vocational education that we are talking about.
We are very strong in education,
Yeah.
because there is an education, national education and a regional education. In the regional education is expressed for works,
Vocational training.
Yeah.
Technical
Technical
training.
education.
Yes, yeah.
But it's not low education, it's very good education. Because you can do a lot of works and you can work for the future, because a lot of education is about software, is about innovation, is about technology, and it's very, very important. We was the best region in Italy. We alone work for 30% of technical education in all Italy is made here in Lombardy.
That's actually what we would like, because some skill gives you self-employment, and that's what we intend to do in Abuja.
Esattamente, anche perché queste competenze danno la possibilità di lavorare in proprio, quindi di avviare un'attività in proprio, ed è esattamente quello su cui vogliamo lavorare ad Abuja.
We arrive in Lombardy, there is not a problem of disoccupazione.
Unemployment, we don't have much of an issue of unemployment here in London.
We are almost 4%. That is a norm. So I think that education is a very, very good idea. We can try to organize something in your country,
Yeah.
or you can come here to learn our type of education, you know.
Yes, that would be good if we can have where our children first start can come here for vocational education to learn some, like I say, technology, some skill work. And before we talk about establishing such institute in Abuja, then in terms of agriculture, we will be able to say, okay, can we can set up this in Abuja, so we have a fertile land and rest, to have a particular mechanized agriculture.
Quindi sì, in termini di istruzione proprio auspichiamo un tipo di scambio di questo tipo dove il nostro personale anche può venire qui in Lombardia e imparare proprio dalle vostre di istruzione, e ribadisce il fatto che nel suo paese c'è molta terra fertile, quindi anche sul fronte dell'agricoltura ci può essere un partenariato e uno scambio in questo senso.
As you prefer, you must say us what do you want to do, if you want to send here your
Yeah, we want to send people here at the same time to establish something that
Sì, vorrebbero prima di creare questi istituti di formazione professionale ad Abuja, vorrebbero proprio venire qui e imparare.
e vedere. Okay, it's a good idea.
So how do we start? We start have a memorandum of understanding to sign.
Possiamo cominciare in che modo? Con un
Today.
memorandum di intesa?
No, okay. Memorandum of understanding, we prepare our offices with your offices, and after we can begin to work concretely.
But